So tell us what we're looking at.
We're looking at a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom townhouse, new construction townhouse. And we can't get in because of the red clay, the gushy red clay. Okay, so this is the garage. It's a 1-car garage. Here, the park door with this nice foyer area. We have a nice foyer. So I'm probably going to do a shoe stand here, some pictures. We come in this way. Oh, looks like they added a door. What's gonna go? Oh, it's a closet. Oh. Have some molding, some nice molding. So this is the downstairs bedroom. It's really big. I'm gonna make this into a nice cinematic experience. We're going to put a big 85-inch TV. So it'll be a nice big TV. I'm going to put kind of a little office area over here. We have a full bath. They just added in the countertops. We're doing gray countertops. See the couch here?
Wait, so you're gonna have the couch there, and then the TV.
So this is what I was trying to explain to my mom. I was telling her if the couch is going to go over here, then it has to go in front of this door. So the couch would have to be here, and then the TV will be here, which it will kind of cut off the space a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
The couch being right here, but if you put the couch back here, you know, all this open space here, and you have to put the TV on that wall.
Sure.
So this will be the dining area. So you're gonna put either a round table or a rectangle table here. Nice little eating area, and then here is going to be, this is like a bar island. It's not quite an island because you can't walk all the way around, but it is a long bar. So we can do 3 stools.
Mm-hmm.
3 stools here. And then it's low, so if we do chairs, we have to be low, medium chairs. So inside we have some beautiful gray cabinets, plenty of cabinetry space. The stove over here with a microwave. So we're gonna have the range, the stove, the range, microwave here. More countertop space. We'll have the sink here, and then the what do you call that thing? Wash the dishwasher here. And then we'll have
What do you call that thing? You don't.
refrigerator here. So we have plenty of space.
Bathroom?
Yeah. We have the half bath right here. Looks like they didn't put in the cabinets yet for that.
Wait, is this the master bathroom? I mean, not master, the master bedroom?
So the bed will be here, probably nightstands. Might end up putting the chest here, the vanity here, the vanity here. I haven't decided if I want to put a TV in here or not. I don't know.
In your bedroom?
Yeah, because I enjoy being downstairs. So we have a full bath. And I just realized I don't have a tub. This is just a shower. So we do have can lighting all throughout the house. And more cabinets. We have a walk-in closet here. A little dark. Which
Ooh.
They had to give the walk-in closet less space in order to put the utility closet up here. Something different. Okay, so we're gonna put the doors in. So we have a linen closet.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have a washer and dryer closet. This wasn't here. I don't know how you open it. How you open it? There's no handles. I don't know. Yeah. And the washer and dryer comes with the house, so that's easy. Well, Blaze will have a bathtub, luckily, because he loves to take baths. So it's a little bathtub. It's not that big. And then where's this one? In here. His bed, I'm thinking, this needs to be here. And then maybe like a dresser. I don't know if I wanted a dresser for him because I want him to have more space. I'm gonna try to put more storage inside of his closet. So I might try to like put some type of drawers in his closet.
Mm-hmm.
So he has really neat one out here.
Gotcha.
So we'll see how it works out. And then we have the guest room. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's it.
Well,